Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So you guys, I'm bringing you guys another wig review. So if you want to know more about this unit, go ahead and continue watching.
Yo, bend that shit. Crazy curvy wavy big titties, little waist body. Crazy curvy wavy big titties, little waist body. Crazy curvy wavy big titties, little waist body. Crazy curvy wavy big titties, little how about that? Ate it up and gave it back. Didn't look good, but they still wanna know we're making it.
So you guys, it comes in its standard Amazon packaging along with the comes in a company box with the logo, and yeah, no goodies you guys in this one. So it just comes with the wig, you guys. This is a short bob, a lace front wig, water wave. They saying that it is hair pre-plucked, 150% density, natural color, 8 inches, you guys. And I believe it comes with three combs in the front and an elastic band, which is always a plus. And you guys, the waves is very nice, very soft, no smell or anything like that. But do you guys see that part? Yeah, it look crazy right now. You guys, I'm not used to like short hair. I'm not gonna lie, it's a good wig, but it just wasn't for me as far as in how short it was and all that. But as far as in how this wig is constructed, it's constructed very well. I didn't have to bleach any knots or anything like that. And you guys, ignore my trying to do a ball cap method. I was really rushing, so it is what it is. So you guys, yeah, so you guys see how well, like, I didn't have to pre-plug, I didn't have to do none of that bleaching. Like, you guys see that it is constructed very well. So if you like into like these shorter wigs, this wig is like perfect for you, because baby, it looks very natural, like very natural. I would actually get this wig, but in a longer length, much longer. At least give me like 12 inches or something. But you guys, yes, if like I said, if you that person that really like a short look with these wavy curls, I mean with the waves, yeah, this would be a perfect wig for you. It's very inexpensive. I believe this wig is $73.99 for the 8-inch. And you guys, I was trying to finesse it. I was trying to do something with it, and I was like bump it, and I just went totally wild. As you guys can see, you're gonna see in the upcoming clip. But yes, I was real fascinated by this part, you guys. Like, perfect. Period. It's very it's made well. You guys can see the back. Actually, the back looks pretty good. So yeah, you see I cut off the lace and all of that already. So I'm just giving you guys more of a good view or whatever. So yeah, you guys, and see, you guys, I changed it and went for the most, like, I went towards the wild look. And I actually was liking the wild look if I would have cut it some more and all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. And guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And the link to this wig will be down below if you are interested. Bye guys.